Get you the orca.
Daddy.
You need to get your orca.
Mom,
Oh, June.
you should have took me here before my test.
Why?
They got a whole map. I could have studied my rivers before I took that test. Secret. The rock.
Ah.
There's no secret rock. So how come the Trinity place? San, I don't know.
San Juanito.
This is the Colorado River. Rio Grande, I don't know what that is. River. San Antonio.
What is this?
Well, I could have guessed this.
Daddy, what
I
is
could have
this,
guessed this was San
Daddy?
Antonio. Oh, it does show. It's up
Oh.
there. Where's the Trinity River at? Oh, you know? Do you know where the Trinity River is?
Daddy, I saw secret rock out here.
Somewhere right there. It just
Bigger color.
people always think it's like
I have a strong talons to grip my prey. Is that a hawk?
yeah.
Oh,
Red
yeah.
shoulder hawk.
Bye bye.
I have a shark
Big
peek in
long
the one
tongue.
that helped me find Bugsy. Woodpecker. Oh my god.
Pekka.
It's frontal lobe. I studied my eyes in class. I have a
Strong hooked beak. Why am I?
Oh.
An owl. Aw.
this scared. Sit here.
The video is being played. Please check.
Can you guess that you're supposed to be? Like plant expert. Orange tree.
Osasaurus. Oh, that was those on the
Those
jungle.
are those are fruits.
Looks like it's a horse apple.
Oh my gosh.
That's what I saw in the road trip when we came from.
Yeah, I saw that too. My body is covered in armor to help me from predators. Who am I?
Turtle?
Turtle. This is plant.
Daddy,
Oh, actually, never mind. It's armadillo.
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 turtle.
Armadillo.
Turtle.
That's an armadillo.
Daddy,
That's an armadillo. Oh my god.
Daddy, go to see an armadillo. Look.
What armadillo? Where is armadillo?
What's this?
What?
It's armadillo.
Uh-huh.
Any other North American mammal? No.
Whoa.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh
Awesome.
heck no! I'm more scared of these things now.
We see them
Possum.
every day.
Ah, it's a
Why
skull.
do teeth look like that?
Yeah,
That feet
It's an
looks like
armadillo.
yeah.
armor. That's armadillo's
I don't
armor.
like it. What is this? Wow.
That's a possum.
Pasta. Daddy, what is this?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Venus flytrap.
Oh
Oh,
my.
it's a Venus flytrap.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
What did you find? Oh, and snakes.
It says I shed my skin, but don't spend much of my time slithering underground.
I have a long claws and a wing fit for swimming.
There is a secret
Frog?
chamber in the bug.
When did a frog have one?
Alligator?
What is in the bug?
I don't know.
Crocodile?
Do you think so?
Slider.
There's a crocodile.
Is that the turtle?
Don't confuse this aquatic turtle with a box turtle. Box turtles have more domed shells and
Oh, so those are the sliders over there?
yeah, I never knew. I just call them turtles.
What's this?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a snake.
It's not like I have to study
Yeah.
turtles.
Oh, what is this, Daddy? Whoa, that's a turtle with a cell.
Oh, it's a turtle.
Yeah, what is he there?
Devil's cigar. Texas and Japan. Well, that's a big gap. Texas and Japan.
What?
Please do not climb on the wall.
What?
It does not say please take this. Don't take this.
Somebody. Oh, there is somebody over here.
Ooh, hey. This is what these things look
Mommy,
like.
what is snaky?
Oh, did they look at some pasta?
Whoa!
Oh, I don't think it's what
Alright.
Daddy, Mommy,
Yes.
what if these blocks? What is all this?
Oh, when you flip those, you found this?
What is
Is that an ants?
Carpenter ants
Centipeter
and a centipede.
termites.
Uh-huh.
She doesn't even read. She knows. Oh, that's a fun guy.
Mommy, this is a
What did you find here?
What is there?
Mommy, there's that.
I see
What are
snail.
those?
Wow.
Oh, garden snail. Fill box.
Ew, what is this?
That is.
Rolling pony.
Got to be okay. I gave them life supply. They're pretty good.
Daddy, there's fishy.
Yeah, let's go
You
to
girls
the
ready?
pond. Can I go to the pond? Where do we go from to the pond? Outside, right now? Back there, but let's go.
We get out, okay?
Let's go, Reddies.
Did you see the turtles over here? Come on.
Oh, hi, babies.
Ansu, so we see some turtles and outside. And
These are more like what I can physically possibly do.
Other ones.
What is that?
there are turtles, there are
These look like different breeds.
Mhm.
froggies and stuff like that.
Where did froggies go?
Uh-huh.
Daddy, they're hot.
Yeah.
Because they're hiding rest.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
There are birdies.
Where are you guys seeing
It's
them?
And this black rock thing.
what is this?
Yeah, there
Those
are
are
birds.
turtles. I
you
thought
can
they were just
see from-
What is this?
There are turtles.
You can use
Wow.
binocular to see them.
Oh, there are binoculars.
You wanna see with the
I should have brought my
binocular?
own.
No.
See.
You know, only then I didn't have to wear glasses.
Uh-huh. Do you see anything? See outside?
Oh, it's a turtle.
Mommy, I want it from the armadillo.
Hold
Yes,
this.
armadillo.
Mommy, I use this.
What's up?
Mommy, I use this to work it.
Okay, good.
Where's it?
Hi, it's me. Why can't I see nothing?
Because
you are blind.
Where's
That's
the
why I'll be
armadillo?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it? Hey, armadillo!
You may not be here, but
Oh, look. There's a turtle cell.
It's a Leonardo.
What's an armadillo?
I cannot see nothing from this thing.
Even I can see something. I dedicate my life to, where is it?
That's a turtle.
This.
It's a turtle or is it
This one.
a
I'm leaving everybody. I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna eat bugs. No, I would not do that. Please. Never mind, I can't read possibly. Oh god. Why would you think that? You take this. Let's go. Let's go, Aditya, let's go. Whoa! Feathers on the side. Let's go, Daddy. Let's go see the pond.
Open the door.
Oh, does it open? No. Oh, we go from around.
Just leave them. Don't.
Wait up. Let's sit over here. This was a nice place over here.
Well, this is supposed to be a nature center and they don't allow pets.
It's a nature for the wild animals.
Did you see that? That bird, that bird just literally passed by you.
No. Sit down.
There's gonna be bees, they're all gonna eat me.